Alrighty, this is a cabin tour of 10-13 here on board the brand new Norwegian Luna. You tap your card again against the little keypad there, the little touchpad. You'll see your muster station information on the back of your door. So we have muster station F. And yeah, and then just like some deck plans to show you where it is. So here we have the touchpad. You have the little cards. This is a random travel agent that I met on a ship tour once. He's keeping the lights on for us this week. But make up the room, and I'll just show you guys a representation of what this does. So I'm gonna click make up room, turns green. Do not disturb. It turns red. And then tap it again, and it shows when you're at home, when you have the little card inside there. This is the master switch for the entire room. You also first come in, large closet, plenty of space here, and a little shoe rack as well at the bottom. Large closet here. You're gonna have a couple bins to put some stuff down. And basically an identical closet here on that side. We have a safe. And you keep all your valuables in here. There you go. And then more stuff. Moving on to the desk. The desk, you have the old school phone if you need to call guest services for whatever reason. You also have, there we go, regular plug, some switches for the mirror, and of course a European socket, a USB-A, then a USB-C, the new oval shape, and then another plug. And of course just a nice big desk overall, and big enough for a Nintendo Switch 2 for a funny reference there. Also have a little drawer down there to keep some extra things, and a little stool that will pull out for you in case you need it, along with a hairdryer. Moving on over, we have another big desk if you want to use it as a desk, just a big table to put your things down on. So we've got like an iPad, the switch cases, and of course just the big TV with the forward bridge cam. Of course you can flip through whatever channels, but we like to have the bridge cam here. More storage here on this side as well. And a couple little more racks for a few things. And then the mini fridge. You do have to pay if you use any of this, but this is just water, even the cans. So keep that in mind. There are 3 of us staying inside this room, so even with 3 of us, this is a very, very large cabin, which has been fantastic for the entire week. It's not too cramped or anything. It's one of the best parts about these premium class ships is that these rooms are very, very large and spacious. So anyway, so we have the bunk bed. There is one, so it will accommodate 4. So if there's a 4th person, that side will fold down as well into another bunk bed. These 2 twins will combine into one king-size mattress if you choose to do so, but of course we have them split up here on this cruise. 2 nightstands, and of course would be on each side if it's put together. We've got a couple little racks there. The light shades, and then USB-C and a USB-A as well for some charging. That is on both of these. And just on this side, we have another plug and the light switch. This moon, I will show you what that does here in a moment. So let's go ahead and turn out the entire light here. So now that we see there's a blue light that's useful when it's very, very dark, late at night, whatever it may be. These inside cabins do get really dark, so you can find your way to the restroom. But that little moon turns it off. So if you don't want the blue light, then you just hit that button. So it's nice to have it where you can turn it on and off. So now, last but certainly not least, into the bathroom. This is a very, very large bathroom. Nice big sink. Of course, the big mirror, hello. And of course, several shelves for your belongings and the nice toilet. a good suck. Anyways, more storage down there, storage down here, and a little trash bin if needed. And then, of course, a nice large shower as well. For scientific reasons, when we embarked the ship and we checked out the room for the first time, we fit 3 of us inside the shower for scientific reasons. Come on in, come on in. This is our test to see how big the showers are. I'm happy to report the showers are a very good size.
Great.
Nothing more, nothing less. We had clothes on, don't worry. But here we go. Shampoo, body wash, and the other things. So very nice, very, very nice. Anyways, that is everything, and of course the towel rack. But that is our room here, 10 to 13 here on board the Norwegian Luna. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for all of the upcoming footage we have of the Norwegian Luna on the inaugural Eastern Caribbean sailing. Up next is a full walkthrough tour from the very top of the ship all the way to the bottom, deck by deck, showing you everything that this amazing ship has to offer. So I hope to see you in that video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.